Hey, this is Tim Bilecki with Bilecki Law Group, located down in Tampa, Florida, and I'm here at Fort Belvoir, Virginia. And we just finished a deposition here, and there's a lot of questions about what exactly a deposition is, because in the military, we just don't do a lot of them. And it's really important, if there's a deposition in your case, that you have an attorney that really understands how to use those strategically. If in a case, particularly in Korea or Oconus, if you have a witness, whether he or she is civilian or a reservist that is off active duty that refuses to come to Korea or refuses to come to a trial, and they're an important witness, you can ask the convening authority or the commanding general or the military judge to order a deposition. And if that's done, the military judge will order that a deposition occur. In this place, it occurred here at Fort Belvoir, Virginia. They will appoint a deposition officer, and they will essentially take the testimony through direct examination and cross-examination and video record that, and that is preserved for potentially for a trial. If there's an objection, you state the objection, but the objection isn't ruled on immediately. Then if that witness is still unavailable at the trial date, then the defense or the government, whoever is the proponent of that evidence, must make a motion to the court to admit the evidence. And they have to have a showing that it is relevant and necessary and that that witness is unavailable to come to trial. If that occurs, they will actually take the video deposition that you took and play it to the members or the finder of fact in court. So with that said, it is critical that if you do a deposition that is not just for discovery purposes, that deposition may actually be used in court. So you have to really understand your trial strategy, understand how you're going to use that deposition if it does get played in court. Now, the pros and cons of that, one of the big cons is that if you're the defense counsel, like we are in this case, and our witness refused to come to Korea, we actually can show our hand to the government. So you have to be real careful that when you do the deposition, that you're prepared that the government can take the time from the time of the deposition up until trial to try to fix things. And so it's real important that you understand that when you take the testimony. So that is essentially what a deposition is. If you're in a position where you have a witness that can't come to trial and a deposition is ordered, ensure that you have an attorney that knows what the hell they're doing, knows how to utilize that strategy, so you don't end up getting burned at the end as part of the deposition.